Hello and welcome to your next challenge, maximum edge of a triangle. So you will be given two integer type arguments, side 1 and side 2 of the triangle, and you have to find out the maximum range of the triangle's third edge. For this you need one formula, side 1 plus side 2 minus 1. If two arguments are 8 and 10, so 10 plus 8 is 18 minus 1 17. Same for 7, 5 minus 1 is 11, 9 plus 2 minus 1 is 10. All the lengths will be positive integers. Backside of this I have given a lot of tests to validate your code. So most basic method is just return side 1 plus side 2 minus 1. We'll check the solution here. Okay, our solution is correct. You can use another method. You can define a constant variable sum, which is equal to side 1 plus side 2 minus 1, and just return sum. We'll check the solution here. So our solution is correct. Thank you so much, and I will see you in next lecture.